I have a first gen PSVR and power button stopped working. Fun. So I found a little fix just tinkering, and I think it'll help some of you guys out there. So I've taken the slide off just so you can see the ports a little bit better, and note that the processing unit is in rest mode. So we're going to take out our two cables here. What I've done is on the non-HDMI cable, the second port from the top right, I've inserted a small piece of wire and I've soldered it. I folded it around so it will touch the metal housing whenever it plugs in. Essentially, you're just hot wiring the headset, bypassing that power button. So my PSVR or my PlayStation 4 is off as well. So when we plug this in, it's a little tight, but should power it up. And then you're ready to go.